Your anchor's stuck? Not anymore. You're fucking bumping into me.
You ain't grabbing, you ain't racing.
We're out here kayaking and Austin's gonna try to fly his drone and it's windy as shit.
I mean, it was only like
Picked it up
$900
yesterday.
It's only $900. If I break it, fuck it. I didn't buy it.
Fucking kayak.
I already got a battery in here, motherfucker. Look. Fucking.
Fucking right into the water.
I better not.
It's gonna land over in those trees over there.
Fuck it. This is not the water. Look at this shit though. This bitch is like Legos. Swear to God. Pop these bitches open. Pop these little guys out.
Is that the remote?
And they screw on.
That's cool.
I gotta put my case on. It takes my finger off.
You have it so close to your eye, it's gonna you're gonna lose an eye. You should set it. You should set it on top of your bag and let it take off from there.
Yeah, I just have to. You have to like. Oh, there we go.
Buys $900 drone, doesn't even know how to use it.
It's not my fault. Every time I try to go use it, it's always windy. Good morning.
Oh, I heard that.
It tells me I'm at the Stanislaus River.
Your Stanislaus River?
Fuck you.
He's at the Stanislaus River.
Fuck you.
You trying to connect it? It just goes, takes off your fucking ankle. See, it takes forever to connect.
Yeah, it does.
He's finally pairing it. Doesn't even know how to use it.
Right?
I'm squeezing my phone so hard so I don't drop it.
Because of the wind.
I wasn't gonna bring my camera out here, so I'm using my phone. Alright, so Austin can't get it to connect, so he's probably not gonna use it because he's a loser. I don't even know if you'll be able to hear this because it's hella windy and I'm not using my camera, so I don't have the little mic thing on it. But if the audio's not too bad, I'll turn this into a video. One last try and then he's done. See if we can get it to connect.
Because my deal, fucking.
Alright, it stopped beeping. It says searching for aircraft. Nope. He gave up on it.
I don't want to be here all day. Fuck with the drone. Probably fucking fly away.
We'll either go down there or over there next.
we had to use our anchoring system here, which is the bushes.
Yeah, we were using this little grass pad as an anchor. We're gonna go try that little corner over there. See how that goes, and we'll probably go over that way next. You're crazy fool.
I mean, dude, I'm not in the water. I'm like half my shit's on the.
You were doing it over there.
Oh, I know. I need to know when it's not windy because I was like this the whole time.
I would not stand
Dude,
on
I gotta
shit.
get scupper plugs because there's water. It's quick over here, dog. You wanna go left or right?
I don't care.
Dude, it looks like
Go over there. We went upstream, and now I'm kind of just coasting back to Austin over there. Just having trouble coming upstream. Look at this guy. Do a flip! I think we're gonna call it here for the day. It's getting too windy. Oh, there's a big ass fish right there. Austin's strapping them down, and we're going to the second spot.
Hopefully we can catch some fish.
Yeah, we didn't catch fish here. It's the first spot. All right, well, all strapped down, ready to go.
That shit ain't going nowhere.
Spot number 2 was a bust. Way
Hell
too many
no.
people. All right, spot number 2 was a bust. There was a bunch of people there, and the boat ramp to get in was covered with stuff, so we weren't able to get our kayaks down. So we're gonna call it a day.
Yeah. See? I got the drone today.
Also can't figure out how to use the strap.
I use strap-ons.
What the fuck? Day number 2, we're headed to the Modesto Reservoir. Going kayaking second day. Hopefully we catch some fish. Alright, we made it. And there's no one here except for those people, and I think they're leaving. Got it all to ourselves right now. How you feel about that?
I'm feeling pretty lucky, knowing that God blessed me with this beautiful day of fishing, and I'm just so happy that He blessed me with fishing with no jet skis on the lake.
Day 2, Austin's gonna try to get his drone working this time.
It's gonna work though. I have a feeling. I got a feeling that my drone will work. I'm gonna fucking toss it in the river.
That's a lake.
Same thing.
Day 2, you still can't figure it out? Alright, you still can't figure it out, so we're just gonna go out there with kayaks. Alright, we made it out, and Austin already got stuck. Beached it. Oh, there you go. Alright, Austin really got stuck. Let's see how long it takes him. You got it? You're out now?
He's moving.
Austin just broke his fishing pole. Let's see it. Let's see the little piece. Dang. back up and these guys let their jet ski get away. Hey Austin, look. He's going to rescue it. It went all the way over there from here.